Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as Shell Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. I hope that you all are doing well and timeless. Okay. If you wish to support the channel, you may do so. I always say via PayPal, UPI, GPay ID. Links are available. My Instagram ID is also there. My Gmail is also there. Okay, easily just hit the description and you're good to go. Okay. Someone whose name starts with or um, someone who is like listening to me or you're dealing with basically it's letter L. Okay. Today the message came through and I literally wrote even L, and this has to do with many messages that I'm going to grab and I'm going to give you the message. Okay, but L could be somewhere connected with you in your life. Okay, right away I'm hearing the word Laura, Laura, or spellings can be different as per people they write, but that's what I'm getting. Could be Lora, but that's what I heard, Laura. And what else? Yeah, I saw as of like someone is there's this light, warm yellow light kind of, and someone is turning it off, turning it on, turning it off, like switches on, off, like giving signal to someone basically from that light. Now this could be something connected with a torch or something, but then what I'm seeing here I'm sharing with you. Okay, this is the message. Someone is giving you a signal, and now this could be a warm signal because there's a warm light. Okay. Okay, so let's start. And it's very hot. I'm telling you that this is like, oh my god. Seriously. Um oh my. I felt as if like something got blurred. Someone couldn't look, it happened again. I'm not even wearing mascara today. No, I don't wear it daily, but sometimes I do. So it's not even because of that. Sometimes it happens. The blur happened. Like focus, refocus. Seriously. Okay. Okay, let's see what is happening for Aquarius. Okay, that's now crazy. A little bit. I get the totem. It's a dolphin for you. Okay, it's dolphin today for you. In my just previous reading, I got an owl, and now I'm getting a dolphin. We'll see what is coming. Someone from recent distant past may try to connect with you, and it's not because we're supposed to be saying and all. No, I don't do that. It's just something that is or possible. You got this card actually here, PAST. So I'm just sticking with this. Okay, someone from recent distant past possible, and having this energy of playfulness, and they are coming around again in this season or after some time to connect with you, or you're going to randomly see hey hi kind of energy. Okay, now it does depend if everything is okay kind of, because recent distant past someone connecting, it doesn't always mean like someone who did hurt you, or you were um like you were you're having some bad karma with them, or something always went wrong. No, it's not always that. Sometimes we just stop talking, sometimes it's on mutual ground, sometimes it's just okay, they're not interested, I'm not interested, but sometimes yes, of course, it's also that. Okay. But I am getting dolphin, and maybe I'm going to take a few cards from that. Okay, someone from recent distant past. Now it's all on you whether you really want to connect with them or not, because on that card past, it's beneath it written suffering. Because of them, possible you got hurt. Someone, okay? And now someone who is just coming around like, with lame excuses and all, and telling you that, you know what, I was into. I got somewhere else, went somewhere else, and giving you lame excuses basically. Okay, this energy is weird because Somehow I'm not being able to even grab better words and tell you, because of this person, and they're giving me this particular word right away, and this is not for all. This person is cheap. They were always like that. Okay, you just came to know later, and it's not your fault, because you, the kind of person you are, you treated them the way you are, and the way you treat others, and then something happened and they showed their own cards, and they're like, ugh, like that kind of energy. Like you have a comfort tone. They don't. So Aquarius, have I mentioned this is for Aquarius? So I want something. Let me know. Like they're saying that we are going to tell you, but you need to resist a little bit. Is it like you need to resist a little bit before you act, even, or before you think anything? I don't know how this goes for you, but you are already resisting. Okay, it's okay. You're a good person. Good person doesn't mean that you have to bear shit, okay? Be a good person. Okay. You're resisting something. You're resisting, you're just in control, trying, bearing something, and this card flipped in middle, and which is loss. Loss. Some kind of loss. And that dolphin is also giving me the energy of, like, it was everything playful, it was fun. Maybe this was with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Possible. Or now you are in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with, and it doesn't feel that playful. You don't want to play with this dolphin. I mean, kind of this energy of a person I'm getting. Okay. You don't feel the same because some things happened. It doesn't make sense like overnight changes. No, it happened or it's happening because, yes, things got on that level, or it reached to that edge that you have to think now. It is different for different people. It's loss. Like someone over here is feeling definitely loss. They don't feel the home is same. They don't feel, or you don't feel that the walls are same, or the color is same, or something. Someone over here is also into this possible stream of work, construction line, kind of like where they lead, or they have a group or team or leader, or they really work on their own as well sometimes, because they love doing it, because that's where they started, and now they have some kind of possible company or something. It's also, I see here, clay, molds, art, some kind of putti, that in Hindi we say putti, okay, but that Putty, something that is being, like, I hope it's making sense. The word is written wounded, not feeling enough, missing someone, left out in the goal. Um, some kind of loss that you might be feeling. But look at this lady. She is wounded, but she is still just applying something to show that everything is okay, like projecting that everything is fine, which is not actually. And now the thing over here I want to connect is I drew L today, and you have loss, LOSS and L, okay? Um, maybe someone, bottom energy, someone is controlling, or someone is dominating, or someone is stressing you out, or there is someone who is cold towards you, what they show they're not, someone who is hiding, silent, blocking emotions, or mask. But the card that I got is, of course, this lost and wounded. um, Trying to cover up, trying to um, make everything fine, like, and projecting that energy, basically. Aquarius, as you might also be doing. This is also something connected when I said that um, it's also about some home construction, colors, redoing, what do you say with that? Renovation, basically. Okay. Signal. Signal is there. And this signal is just like maybe someone got awakened suddenly, and maybe they're doing it like tick, 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 but you're not ready mentally. You get it? Like, we are all fine, we are going with the flow, we are working, okay, fine. But when there is some kind of signal, we're not ready on that level of getting involved with someone. That is different thing. Okay. Now you may end up talking a little bit or you may reply, but that doesn't mean that you're like emotionally ready to dive and get involved on that level because you don't want to. So this could be with someone, and why this is not possible, because you're not feeling enough, like you're not feeling those emotions even. Okay. And maybe because you're missing someone, and sometimes I just want to mention here that sometimes when we miss someone, it doesn't mean that we miss some energy. We miss something, a place. We miss someone else, and we never met that person. Kind of like, even when someone is interested, they are talking, but we don't want to get involved like on that level. um I don't know how to explain this, but that is a feeling. Okay. Only the one who is going through, they can understand. Like thoughts, like, it's like thoughts, one's thoughts. Okay, let me see. Aquarius is what is coming. Okay, you got the flip. What is coming? Um, okay, that's what the message is. You are getting back your strength. You're returning to your morning. Okay? Um, this is a sun card, strength, and this is what, like, a lot of water is there. Okay, this is giving me a lot of messages. It's also maybe Leo, but this is something that you are getting back your emotional strength. Right now, it may be little hazy, wavy, but you're getting it back, slow and steady. Empowerment, heart chakra opening. So you're working on that, you've worked on that. Heart, compassion, happiness, truth revealed. Truth revealed. So basically, whatever is not, maybe you're not speaking, maybe you need to speak, but this is the situation which may be a little flippy, 50-50. But what you're doing is trying to get back to that strength. Okay. Especially after wounded situation or whatever that is hurting you, you are trying your level best because you're a very positive and hopeful person. When one is like that, they don't give up, they work hard to attain that thing. And so, um, that's what is sun projecting here, especially. Okay. Like, it's going to burn everything that is not required. So yes. Now, for some cases possible, sun is a new promise coming, because whoever is signaling, and maybe you're not even taking that into account, because what I said, like, you're not getting involved or you don't wish to. And it's actually good because you're taking care, you're keeping this here, that I don't want to, I'm not going to be the reason to ruin anyone's life, right? Because if I'm not ready, I'm not going to give false hope to anyone. So that may be your thing here. So bottom energy is interesting. Actually, it's reunion, but it is also soul ties. So it's basically you are meeting after possible lifetime, or after 10, 20 years, kind of like this person, whoever is coming in your life, or someone who's signaling you. And as I said, for possible for some reunion. Now it always is important that what you do with that reunion or message, because what kind of connection was with the person. Okay, don't ruin your life again and again for stupid energies. That's all. Soulmate, fated partnership, past life connection, past returns. So yes, but let's see what is coming in future for Aquariuses. Hmm. Okay, we do have planets over here. So if someone is an astrologer interested in that, you may connect like that. Uranus, and there is freedom, the word that is written. Leap of faith, new beginning, definitely. So new journey is going to start in your life. breaking free, that is release, new cycle, fast change, new direction. So this is going to help you. This is what is coming in your life. Like something that you're going to, cycle is going to end, something that you're going to have leap of faith in as zero the full energy, right? So new beginning, new journey, believing, new place, new life, okay, maybe with a new person as well, if it is like new direction. Wow, new cycle does come. Like, and breaking free is of course breaking free from loss, wound, and getting back with your strength and getting back emotional strength as well. That is very important. And liberation, basically your freedom. Okay, so that is what is coming for you. And I hope that this is going to help you. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.